Hi guys, in this session we are going to learn how to use there in sentences. So let's begin. There is a man standing outside the house. एक आदमी घर के बाहर खड़ा है. There is a man standing outside the house. There is a book on the table. टेबल पर एक किताब है. There is a book on the table. There is a train at 1 p.m. ट्रेन दोपहर के 1 बजे है. There is a train at 1 p.m. There is a good movie in the multiplex. Multiplex में एक अच्छी मूवी लगी है. There is a good movie in the multiplex. There is no swimming pool in our community. हमारी कम्युनिटी में स्विमिंग पूल नहीं है. There is no swimming pool in our community. There are a lot of accidents happening on this road. इस सड़क पर बहुत ज़्यादा दुर्घटनाएं हो रही है. There are a lot of accidents happening on this road. There are 11 players in a soccer team. Soccer team में 11 खिलाड़ी होते हैं. There are 11 players in a soccer team. There are a lot of Italian restaurants in this area. इस इलाके में बहुत सारे Italian restaurants हैं. There are a lot of Italian restaurants in this area. There aren't any schools around. आसपास कोई स्कूल नहीं है. There aren't any schools around. There was nothing to eat when I got home. जब मैं घर पहुंचा तो खाने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं था. There was nothing to eat when I got home. There weren't many people in the rally. रैली में ज़्यादा लोग नहीं थे. There weren't many people in the rally. There has been an accident. एक दुर्घटना हुई है. There has been an accident. There have been many accidents on this road. इस सड़क पर बहुत सारे हादसे हो चुके हैं. There have been many accidents on this road. There will be some rain tomorrow morning. कल सुबह कुछ बारिश होगी. There will be some rain tomorrow morning. I don't think there will be any problem. मुझे नहीं लगता कि कुछ समस्या होगी. I don't think there will be any problem. This is it for today. Thanks for watching.